Hello everyone, my name is Vedanko Chakma and my ID is 211444705. Today, my presentation topic is culture of Bangladesh. So, the context of the situation depends on who we are communicating with, uh, where we are, what we are, communicating, about, and why we are communicating in the first place. So, culture is anything, that is learned or shaped. So it means culture is anything that we do except for biological process. It is complete picture of life or and of a nation or a society. So it reflects the inner aspects of a nation or a society. So Bangladesh has its own cultural tradition. So it has, rich, diverse culture. So it deeply rooted heritage is thoroughly reflected in architecture, dance, literature, music, clothing, so etc. So Balasik culture reflects uh, the behavior of individuals, their dresses, occasions, languages, livelihood, festival, etc. So people of Bangladesh, are greatly influenced by the faith. So the prime religions are Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity. So the dress difference in Bangladesh are quite unique. So Bangladeshi men's, casual wears, in rural areas is lungi, with formal clothing being suits or shirts and trousers. So um, on culture and religious occasions, so men have, traditional wear called Panjali, and women wear salwar kameez or shari. So Bangladesh's cuisine is renowned for having a distinctive, uh, culinary tradition. So the nation's, staple food is rice and served with various food items such as vegetables, fish, meat, eggs, curries, and chicken, lentil soup. So the country has many sweet preparation including Bangladesh sweet meats which are milk based. These are include shondes, rasmalai, chom chom, rasgulla, kalajam. This primary source of protein. The primary source of protein in Bangladesh is fish with 40 types of fresh water fish. So many meals will have a rice, spicy flowers, and contain fish, beef, chicken, or egg. So rice is the staple of the Bangladeshi diet, and is often served with vegetables, and lentils. So in the north, west west regions of the country, is curry is popular and considered the national dish. So the tribal is regions enjoys dishes made from bamboo, fruits, dried fish, etc. So Bangladesh is home to abundant folklore and artistry. Songs, riddles, proverbs, and epic tales are inherited from past generations. So in villages and towns, women make nokshikata and and embroidered patchwork cloth that relates stories and myths through elaborate stitches. So local legends are told through a style of a opera called Jatra, where poetic tales are read from books and type of ancient manuscript for entertainment and education. So Bangladesh has many tribal people, the majority of whom live in Chittagong tribes area. The life of a tribal people is extremely fascinating. So indigenous people usually live within geographically distinct ancestral territories. They tend to maintain this distinct social, economical and political institutions within their territory. Although Bangladesh has, you know, uh, rich and traditional culture. So it is going under the influence of foreign culture. So as a result, culture of Bangladesh is being adversely affected. So West culture and culture and channels are playing vital role in this trigger. So nowadays, the young generation of Bangladesh is very fond of Western band and pop music so interested. So they are following Western culture in the cases of their life. So they do not listen to Polygamy or Rabindra Sangeet, as much as they listen to Western or Hindi music. So that's all. Thank you very much.